Creamy potato croquettes are a delicious and easy-to-make appetizer or side dish. Here's a simple recipe to help you make them. Ingredients: 3 large potatoes, peeled and chopped. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 egg. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. 1. Boil the potatoes in a large pot of salted water until tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. 1. Drain and mash the potatoes in a large mixing bowl. 2. Add the heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, egg, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper to the mashed potatoes. 2. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined and the mixture is smooth. 3. Shape the mixture into small cylindrical shapes, about 2 inches long. 4. Place the flour in a shallow dish, the beaten egg in another dish, and the panko breadcrumbs in a third dish. 5. Dip each croquette first in the flour, then in the beaten egg, and finally in the panko breadcrumbs, making sure to coat each croquette evenly. 6. Heat the vegetable oil in a deep pan or pot over medium heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. Fry the croquettes in the hot oil, in batches, for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they are golden brown on all sides. 8. Remove the croquettes from the oil with a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. 9. Serve the potato croquettes hot, with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy your creamy potato croquettes.